Look at my blanket flowers. They look so pretty with all the colors. And two cone flowers at the back. I started those from seed, the blanket flowers. And our rose has bloomed again. And it's so pretty too. And I have more buds there. And one more. And the knockout rose has also bloomed. And it turned back to red. It's small, but it's okay. It looks pretty still. And one more bud that's soon to open. And this one. But there are lots of buds. And can't wait for my dahlia to bloom. I want to see what the flowers look like. So there. And the other one here. Okay. Those are our flowers that I'm waiting for. It is the next day, and I saw a skunk. Another skunk, but this time it has all white on its back. So it's the first time, or second time, I saw a skunk in our backyard. But the first one, it only had white till the neck, back of the neck. But this one, it's all white at the back. So, yan. Tinitingnan ko lang siya. And I don't know what it is eating in the grass. Okay, so titingnan lang natin what happens. My knockout roses have bloomed. Ang dami niyang buds. And they're red. Kaya happy ako. Dahil siguro sa lamig. Although, small lang yung maliliit lang yung flowers. But it's okay. Madami naman sila and it's red. Meron din naman akong ibang rose na pinapatubo na malalaki. Hopefully, yung flowers. But the colors, ganda. And as usual, our other rose is here. Dami ulit blooms because it's cold. Kaya madami siyang blooms ngayon. Ang ganda. Ngayon is dagang free na. Tinanim muna ni June dito kasi daw natutuyo. So, but when the front bed is done or ready, doon niya ililipat. And here is my geranium. Bubulaklak. May bud ulit. The tiger lilies are almost done. Tuyo na sila. Our begonia still going at it. Puno siya. Full na full. And this one, wala pa siyang buds, but it's getting, the leaves are getting bigger. Na-compare ko yung video noon when we first bought it at bago siya natuyo ng todo. Ang lalaki ng leaves niya, like the other regular roses. Pero nung nag-leaf siya, naging ganyan. Ang liliit. Sobrang liliit. Pero ngayon, lumalaki na ulit yung leaves niya. And my other geraniums. Ayan. Dito yata is salmon. This is dark pink. And this one is, I don't know, red yata. Red. And our hibiscus, hindi pa natatanim, pero yan, medyo sabay-sabay na ang bulaklak niya. Dati pa isa-isa lang. Pero malapit na siyang maubos. Eh, natutuyo yung iba. Ibang buds na maliliit, natutuyo. Guess hindi siya tumuloy. Yan. Na ano siya. Tuyo. Na-shock siguro siya nung bagong dating. Ayan, hindi na nag-bloom yung iba. I'm just getting rid of it kung talaga namang hindi magbo-bloom. Para mag-ano na siya ng bago. Alis yung iba eh. Oh. I guess kung hindi siya talaga magbo-bloom. Natuyo siya. Yun na yata ang last na blooms kasi wala nang buds. Well, ganda, para din siyang rose. Maalis na ba to? And natuyo na yung ibang leaves. Lamig na kasi. So, later I will do some cleaning para gumanda-ganda naman ulit yung garden. Okay. Roses. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning today. It's cool. Yeah, 65 degrees. So I'm just starting to look at the garden and see what needs to be done. I'm just looking at this bee who's very happy going from flower to flower. And admiring this rose again and again. The what do you call the color? Coral. It's coral. Although it may look, the color may look different uh, in camera. And this is the red one. Red knockout. So they have many buds. So hopefully they will open at the same time para maganda ang itsura. Okay. And also I'm thinking pala, just admiring this. Admiring the petunias. Very nice. And our hibiscus. Opening red. Red na red siya. And I'm thinking of separating the salvia from this foxglove. And this is the salvia, the foxglove that grew from seed, nag-seed from last year's foxglove, and there's another plant. So paghiwalayin ko na sila para mas maganda ang tubo. And just admiring again our white hibiscus. Ayan, ganda. Okay, I will start doing what I need to do. So I will be trying to remove the salvia or transfer the salvia para mas may space itong foxglove to grow. Pati itong maliit na ano na to. Pati itong maliit na foxglove. Transfer ko siya or baka pwedeng hindi. We'll see. Ito na lang munang salvia. Pero saan ko siya ilalagay? Maybe here na lang. Maybe here. Dito. But let's see first kung anong itsura nitong salvia na to. Well, dali nang maalis nitong isa. The foxglove. Lipat ko siya mamaya. Oops. Okay. Putol. So here's another foxglove pala. So we have 2 foxgloves. And hopefully mag-survive sila. Okay. Siya itatanim. I'm planting the salvia here, transferring it. Okay, now it's all planted. Just need to fix the soil na ano yung mulch. Natabunan ng soil yung mulch. So ito, hopefully hindi siya mabunot. Now that fits. Ayan. Okay. Mukhang dalawa pa to. Oh, tatlo pa sila. Mukhang madami sila. Anyway, mas maganda. Mas maganda na. So, mukhang madaming plants. So, meron akong transplant na isa, tsaka itong isa. But here, tatlo yung ano na. Oops. We have 1, 2, and 3. 3 na foxgloves. Hopefully, maging okay sila. Okay, now I need to water. To water and clean these plants. Okay. So I have planted, transferred the small foxgloves, and immediately they're flopping. Hopefully they will survive the transfer. So we still have 3 plants here, or 4. So I'll just let them grow first. And before our first frost, maybe I can transfer 2. Or maybe it would be good to see them in a clump or more flowers. Because, foxglove only have one, I think, one stalk, one flower stalk. So it will be fun or nice to see them in a clump or more flowers. So hopefully next year they will flower, and I'm thinking kung anong kulay siya. It might be the peach na hindi nag-survive. We bought one for clearance, pero hindi siya nag-survive. Pero siguro sana nag-seed siya kasi siya yung nakatanim dito na malapit. And one we had for 2 years. Pero after 2 years nawala na. Kulay pink naman yun. So hopefully, it's just between the two of them. Peach or pink or purple ba yun? So yun. Okay. And I have trimmed our forsythia para branch siya ulit. Masyado kasi siyang paakyat eh. And hopefully also next year, next spring, makita na kami ng yellow flowers. Okay. So, I'll work on the other side of the garden naman. So, here is the new garden bed that my husband is working on. So, kahapon, nag-start na siyang alisin yung mga lupa or soil from the grass to separate. So, I will try to continue what he was doing, pero dun ako sa shade. So, para at least mabawasan ang kanyang work. Okay. Start ako dun sa shade. So, here, I'll try to do kung ano yung ginagawa niya. So, yung damo, ito, hiwalay niya hiwalay niya yung soil para maibalik yung soil. Sayang naman din kasi yung soil. I hope tama itong ginagawa ko. So, nahihiwala yung soil. Tapos, you just throw the grass. So, yun. Konti na lang. And then, get another one. Iwalay ko na yung grass, tapon ko na sa basura. And that's it. Get another one. This one. Ito. Ay. Sabog. Okay. So, hopefully, madami akong magawa. Our Coleus, kumapal na siya. This is the one we bought from Walmart na 4, pero namatay yung isa. And this is, dalawa tong nasa taas, and then isa tong nasa baba. Lumaki din siya. And that's the garden. It's early morning, so gagawa muna ako for 2 hours at least. Tapos ito yung aming geranium. Blooming. Nalis ko na yung luma. And then it has buds. Konti lang. Lumalamig na kasi. At tapos our begonia. Yan na siya ngayon. Ito, lumalabas na ang bulaklak. Ayan. Yellow. Okay. Petunia. Nakakatuwa lang petunia namin. Daming bulaklak. Okay. Yan ang aking gagawin ngayon.